value of the Afghani. 1 year has passed since the rule of the new government of Afghanistan. During the past 1 year, the monetary unit of the country was facing a series of problems in terms of value against foreign currencies. Sometimes the value was rising and sometimes it was decreasing, especially against the dollars. On August 1, 2021, $1 was exchanged for 80 Afghanis. But with the beginning of the series of collapse of the provinces, the series of depreciation of the Afghani accelerated. With the collapse of the Kabul administration, all banks and exchange offices in the country were closed. But when Shahzada Sarai resumed its operation on September 4, 2021, the price of $1 was 87 Afghani, and then the value of the Afghani was slowly controlled. And although after a few days the price of the dollar fell to 83 Afghani, but with the passage of times it increased again to 95 Afghani. But the dominance of the mafia on the exchange market caused the price of the dollar to reach 127 Afghani at the end of the January 22, which was reduced to 90 due to the correct management of the Afghanistan Bank. But the price is not fixed. Every time there are a possibility that the value of Afghani will decrease or increase. Looking at the existing problems of the economic situation, the analysis from the economic point of view is that the Afghani has not yet lost its value as much as expected. Along with various other factors, more than 120,000 Afghans have left the country, and if we have a normal calculation, these Afghans have withdrawn about $1 billion from the Afghan market. But still, the Afghani has not lost its value.